Hey guys, this is Donovan from Plungie USA. We just installed this 10x20 Plungie Max in the blue Lagoon finish. This home was built by Meritage Homes. It's a brand new construction here in Little Elm, Texas. You can probably hear the hammers in the background of building another one across the street. If you are a home builder and you want to add pools to your repertoire, give us a call. We have this program built just for you. Ask us about our Plungie Dip program for new construction. If you're building a new home, you're in contract talks and you want a pool, give us a call at 855-PLUNGIE. We would love to work with your builder so that you can have a pool like this in days, not months.